Hey guys, welcome to the channel Cyber Fixer. This channel was made as a last stand option for those who needs to fix when in doubt. I'm Q, and let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to another Cyber Fixer video. Today's video is going to be about the PS5 DualSense controller, which we are now having issues with after 3 months, a newly purchased one. So, this is the new one that was purchased 3 months ago. I've had my system for 11 months now, okay? This controller right here is the original controller that came with the system. I put a new plate on them, where the black piece was, changed it to blue. The triggers are still the same. But on the new one, I'm barely even touching it, and it's moving. You see that? I don't get it. It's after 3 months, the new one breaks on me. So apparently everybody's been having an issue like this. They've been having, specifically with the R2 button, because we use that button for mostly everything. There is a fix for it, okay? Now, the thing to this is, if you are not tech savvy, okay, don't bother with it, because you'll probably break something else. Alright? Disclaimer, whatever you do to your controller, I'm not responsible for it. This is all on you guys, alright? If you want to take this route and do whatever it is that you want to do, and possibly save $80 from buying another controller instead of, fixing the one that you already got, that's up to you. It's totally up to you. I'm just here to give you options and guide you in the right direction when you want to fix stuff. So, I just got packaging today for the new spring that's supposed to be replaced inside the controller. Okay? Now, please keep in mind, when you purchase a new spring for these controllers, they are not going to be the same, okay? So, yes, they're all going to feel a little different from the original because it's not OEM, and it's just not going to feel the same, alright? That's what I've heard from a lot of people that did this route, and some people say they don't notice a difference. Maybe you won't, but I'm going to show you what these little springs look like. Now, the original ones that's in the controller is shaped kind of like a V or check mark. These, on the other hand, are straight. This is fairly easy to fix. You do need a very small Phillips head screwdriver. There's too many videos of the tear down for this controller, so I'm not going to do a video on how to tear down and get that spring in there, because people have already put videos out on how to put those springs in and tear the controller down. So basically, this video is basically to help you guide and let you know that there is a fix for it if you want to fix it. It only cost me $10, and I got a pack of like 10 of them. So if they go out again, I can just replace it again. Now, will I buy another controller in the future? Yes, I probably will, because, it's nothing like the original. You know what I mean? But just to give you guys, of course you already seen it. Again, this is the new one that I bought 3 months ago. If your controller is doing that, the spring is broken. See what I'm saying? The spring is broken. Alright? And the only reason that this button is pushing back out is because of the tension that's on the actual button is pushing it back out. But it doesn't have the same tension in it. Yeah, I don't know why the new ones are having issues. Is PlayStation saving money, putting cheaper parts in the controllers? 2? It's a good question, but it is what it is. You know, we gotta take care of our babies, and this is how the ball rolls. I hope you guys find this video useful. Hopefully you'll be able to fix your controller if if you're interested in trying to do it yourself instead of buying another $80 controller, because these things are expensive, and to spend $80 and it go bad on you for 3 months, that's pretty bad. It's pretty bad. But yeah, you guys, at your own risk, all right? You take this route, try it. You can look at teardown videos to see how hard it is. If you think it's too hard for you to do, then just don't try it. You know, just go buy another controller. Or if you have a friend that has a PlayStation 5 and they've done repairs, ask them to do it. You know, that's what friends are for. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a good day, good evening, good night. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you for always coming to my channel and watching these videos. I'm really hoping that these videos are helping you guys. I've seen so many great comments from you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you.